In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project in Base44 easily and efficiently. Sharing a project in any collaborative tool should be a seamless process, and in Base44, it's made to be as straightforward as possible. So, let's dive into the steps to ensure that you and your team can start working together without a hitch. First off, you need to open your project. Begin by navigating to Base44's main interface. Once you're there, locate and open the specific app or project that you intend to share with others. This initial step sets the stage for inviting collaborators into your workspace. Next, it's time to find the Share or Collaborate button within the interface. Depending on the version of Base44 you're using or how your workspace is set up, this option might be labeled differently. Look for words like Share, Invite, or Collaborators. Sometimes you might even see a people or team icon, which usually indicates options related to sharing. Most commonly, these options are found either in the top right corner of your screen, within the Settings menu, or in a dedicated workspace section. Once you spot it, you'll know you're on the right track. After identifying the share option, the next crucial step is choosing the type of sharing that suits your needs. Base44 allows for different permission levels, and choosing the correct level helps protect your work while providing adequate access to collaborators. For starters, you might choose the viewer level if you want someone to only view or test your project without making any alterations. If you're looking for someone to help modify the app, then the editor role is appropriate. This level allows them to make changes without restrictions. Lastly, if someone requires full control over the project, selecting Admin will grant them all access permissions, entailing an ability to make comprehensive changes. Carefully select the level that aligns with each collaborator's role in the project. Now that you've set the permissions, it's time to invite your collaborators via email. Enter the email address of each person you wish to bring into your project. Once inputted, you'll find options such as Invite or Send Access. By clicking on these, an invitation is sent directly to their inbox, granting them access according to the permission levels you've set. They will receive this invitation and be able to join the project effectively. Once shared, the collaboration can truly begin. Your team members will be able to engage in various activities, such as testing workflows to ensure everything functions smoothly, improving the user interface for a better user experience, updating prompts as necessary, managing data efficiently, and reviewing the AI features to optimize their performance. By following these steps, you maximize your team's productivity and foster a collaborative environment where everyone can contribute to your project's success. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating on Base44.